Today I eclose with the sunrise. Today my wings unfold to dry. The earth has been remade in my eyes. Today I'm learning how to fly. A new world, dreams unfurled. Oi, kaukala, e hana, I ola honua. I've been reforming in the darkness, encased in viscous chrysalis. I've been dissolved by nature's death kiss, now graced by metamorphosis.